Hello and welcome to Easy Steps Cooking. Today I will show how I prepare this mango mousse. Let's go to check the ingredients. Okay, so before start, remember to give a thumbs up and subscribe to support the channel. And now let's go with the recipe. I will cut this mango to open this way, like this, and with the help of a spoon, with a tablespoon, I'm going to take out all the pulp inside. I am using here 2 mangoes. It's about 500 grams. And now I'm going to blend in a blender until we have a smoothie mix. For about 30 seconds is okay. I will put in another container. This is a milk cream I will use with 35% of fat. Now we're going to beat the cream until it's like this. This is the consistency we need. I will put in another container for later. And now we need the 3 eggs. We need to separate the white from the yolk. We need just the white from 3 eggs. So I will put the yolk here for another recipe. So now we are going to beat and add the sugar little by little. Until we have something like this. This is like a sweet meringue. And now I'm going to add a tablespoon, 1 or 2 tablespoons of the whipped cream in the mango. We need to mix with the tablespoon. And I will put all this mixture inside the whipped cream. We will mix with circular and enveloping movements. And next we will add this in the sweet meringue. And mix again with circular movement, and the mousse is ready. We can make like 8 or 9 portions with these ingredients. We will put in several glasses and decorate with kiwi slices like this. Also you can use orange, and it's ready. You can put this in the fridge for 1 or 2 hours. And the mango mousse is ready to enjoy. So if you liked, please thumbs up, subscribe, thank you, and see you next video.